Hello, my name is Jim Olson. I'm a member of the Department of Mathematics and Philosophy at Western Illinois University, and this is the third of 3 videos on math placement at Western. This one is on the optional ALEKS Placement Test. In the previous 2 videos, we looked at an overview of math placement and the first 2 ways to improve math placement. So let's jump over to wiu.edu/math and take a look. On the left-hand side, we have information for new freshman transfer students, and then we hit math placement. In the first 2 videos, we looked at how to improve placement using high school coursework and how to improve placement with a SAT or ACT score in coursework. This video is going to be looking at how to improve placement with the ALEKS Placement Test. In this video, I will be pointing out reasons why you would want to take the ALEKS Placement Test and perhaps some reasons why you would not want to take it. An overview of the test and the time commitment and how you request approval to take the placement test. Just a quick reminder from a previous video of why math placement is important. You want to be placed in an appropriate level course. In particular, you don't want to take a course that's too easy, because this could mean that you're taking an unnecessary course and spending tuition money and time that is not necessary. At WIU, we want to place you into a category of courses so that you can be successful. So let's talk about improving your math placement using the ALEKS Placement Test. So we're going to go back over to the website, click Information for New Freshmen and Transfer Students, Math Placement, and then Improving Placement using the Placement Test. There are a number of pages here. This is the overview of the test. It is important to realize that if you're going to do the placement test, you must do it before you begin taking classes at WIU. By scoring high enough, students will be placed in math courses higher than the beginning level math courses. This placement test is not required, and there is quite a bit of information here you need to look at to determine if it's going to be right for you. First of all, who takes ALEKS? In order to take ALEKS, you need a minimum of at least completing Algebra 2 in high school with a B, or 4 years of high school math with at least a grade of C or higher in the senior year. And you can read this information regarding transfer students. The exam format and description is here. It is an online test. Here's some more information about taking it. And here's the information about placement and the particular ALEKS scores relative to the placement categories. This category is basically the general education courses, the beginning general education courses. Category 3 has college algebra in it. There are a number of majors at WIU that require college algebra. Category 4, if you score from 61 to 75 on the ALEKS test, then you're allowed to take Math 137, which is business calculus or Math 260. And finally, the highest level of the ALEKS placement will be a score of 76 to 100, which allows you to take Math 133. Math 133 is calculus with analytic geometry number 1. The ALEKS question will take around 2 hours to complete. and you can take up to 3 retakes after doing the preparation modules. There is a $15 fee, and there's more information for you to read here. Prior to requesting and taking the ALEKS test, you should fill out the information for math placement form so that an initial placement can be set for you. And we described that in video number 1 and video number 2. Determine if the ALEKS placement test is right for you. The ALEKS test is not for everyone. However, for those who have a good math background, it offers a way to increase one's math placement, thereby making it possible to take more advanced mathematics courses more quickly. So I don't want to convince you to take it, and I don't want to convince you to not take it. You just need to make up a good decision in your own mind. The ALEKS test is good for the student who has a pretty good math background, does not have other means for increasing math placement. Maybe they don't have an ACT or SAT score, no AP, advanced placement credit, no transfer credit, but they are willing to put in the time and effort to take and perhaps retake the ALEKS test. A note on math placement and registering for classes. It is recommended that you get your math placement set as soon as possible. This way, your schedule of classes can be set and you can be registered for classes. If delayed, the availability of classes will be reduced and it may be difficult to take the classes you'd like to take. Steps to take if you choose to take the ALEKS test. Fill out the request approval form found on the ALEKS fee page. So you come to the ALEKS fee page, and right here is the request form. You'll receive an email indicating that the permission has been loaded. Then you go to the Take the ALEKS Assessment Now page and take the test. That page is right here. If you would like to take retakes, do the prep and learning modules as described and retake the ALEKS test. You may retake it up to 3 times. For more information, please visit wiu.edu/catalog or wiu.edu/math. Have a great day.